Rietveld Academia lo mestre abira e casi Academia di Arte e Disegno di Aruba, pero un discrepância com o firmamento de certo contrato a tarde processo para a Academia de Arte ganha em nome de Rietveld oficialmente. Afortunadamente, nosso colega de 15 on 15, Jan de Leeuw, está contando-nos com uma boa notícia.
Glenn Godine, the director of the Academy of Fine Arts and Design Aruba, says the academy can now offer a 6-month preparatory course, but soon a 4-year bachelor program can be earned by the students.
It's not called the Rietveld at the moment because we don't started the bachelor yet. Once we start the bachelor, we can call it the Rietveld.
It is a step forward for Aruba's education system as well workforce to have a Rietveld Academy here for many reasons. However, being able to keep talents right here in Aruba would be primarily attractive for the island.
If you look at Aruba and the other islands, because we don't have that type of institute, you see that many creative people, they go to the United States, they go to the Netherlands, and they never come back. But if you think of tourism, if you think of the future of Aruba and the islands, it's very important to keep that culture and heritage. And culture and heritage is not only in heritage, culture continues, it develops.
O curso aqui tá bom para estudante não que tá pensa verder de não estudo para arte e desenho para sobra e tem uma variedade de programa que por ajudava a escolher exatamente o que você faz e opciones de carreira não e também tá ajudava para você pensar um pouco mais leu de solamente saque com a arte e desenho e tá lagava experiência e crescer ninja.
In order to keep young talents here, they need to have options. Therefore, if students choose to pursue a career on the island in arts and design, this would ultimately benefit Aruba's culture, which would have a domino effect on tourism. Glenn says tourists wants to see culture. By improving education on the island, it allows for students to have more options.
Aruba has a vision of becoming an island for education. And of course, we are education. But also if you look at education and research, people where they look for, if they chose a place to live and work, for those type of people who did a higher level study, university, they always look what's there to do. And they often want to have cultural events. So you can imagine if you have this school, that this will enrich the island also for those people who want to settle in Aruba for research and other studies and schools and education.
Y para Aruba, esa te ayuda a Aruba hopi para crecer internacionalmente, me reconocimos en un lugar para estudiar arte y diseño, que en verdad mi nata quiere que isla nantin, mi nata quiere que Latinoamérica tenga tanto reconocimiento pesei, y nos mester crece quinan, en parte del mundo que nos mester crece